Hello students, how are you? Welcome in Vijay Memorial Senior Secondary School Indora. Myself Mr. Lalchan, PGT Biology.
My today's topic is some common human diseases.
First disease is amoeboisis. It is caused by a pathogen Entamoeba histolytica which live in the large intestine of the human being. It is a protozoan parasite. It causes a disease amoebic dysentery. Mode of infection through contaminated food and water. Housefly carrying the parasite from feces of infected person onto the food and water. In this case, housefly act as a vector or the carrier of the pathogen. Sign and symptoms: abdominal pain and cramps, constipation, stool with excessive mucus and blood clots. Second disease we have ascariasis. It is caused by the pathogen Ascaris, which is a roundworm, or we can say nematodes. All nematodes are pathogenic in nature and causes diseases. It lives in the intestine of the human being. Mode of infection: as the parasite live in the intestine of the human being, it release the egg along with the feces of infected person. Feces contaminate the soil, water and plants. Healthy person acquired infection by consuming infected water, fruits and vegetables. Sign and symptom of the diseases are intestinal bleeding, muscular pain, fever, anemia, blocking of intestinal lumen. Next disease we have elephantiasis or filariasis. It is caused by the pathogen Vaucheria. The two species of pathogen are Vaucheria bancrofti and Vaucheria malai. They are helminthes which causes filariasis or elephantiasis. Mode of infection: by bite of the female mosquito. In this case, a female mosquito acts as a carrier of the human disease or a vector. Life cycle: entry of Vaucheria into the body of the human. A chronic inflammation develops slowly for many years, usually in the lymphatic vessels of lower limbs, and the affected organ becomes swollen like the legs of a human being, or genital area of the human being are swollen like the elephant foot. So the name is commonly called elephantiasis. Sign and symptoms: the lower limbs and genital organ usually show gross deformities. Next disease we have ringworm. It is one of the most common infected disease in the human. Pathogen generally caused by the fungus. The three species of fungus are Mycosporum, Trichophyton, Epidermatophyton, which causes ringworm. Mode of infection: they are generally acquired from the soil or by using towels, clothes and combs of the infected persons. Sign and symptoms: dry scaly lesions on the various parts of the body like skin, nail, scalp and intense itching. As we know, fungus grow better in warm and humid environment, so ringworm grow better in heat and moisture, so it promotes the growth of the fungi. These fungi grow in skin folds, in the groin or between the toes. Thank you.